In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GST on QuickBooks Invoice 2026. We'll walk through the exact workflow so your invoices show the correct goods and services tax and your totals come out right the first time. I'll also point out a few helpful tips along the way so you avoid common mistakes. This guide assumes your tax settings are already enabled in your QuickBooks file. If they are, you're ready to go. Start on the left menu and open Sales, then choose Invoices. This is your invoicing hub where you can open an existing draft or create a new invoice. If you're starting fresh, click to create a new invoice and confirm the customer and invoice date so your terms and due date populate correctly. Getting those basics in place makes the tax calculation align with the right period. Now add your products or services to the invoice. As you enter line items, double check the descriptions, quantities, and rates. If your products and services were set up with default tax settings, QuickBooks can suggest the right tax treatment automatically. If not, no problem. You can choose it on the invoice. Accuracy here matters because GST is calculated per line before being totaled. Look over to the tax column for each line and select the appropriate GST rate. Choose the standard GST option for most taxable goods and services, or select a zero-rated or exempt option where applicable under your local rules. Keeping the tax code correct per line is the easiest way to prevent adjustments later. If you're unsure which GST rate applies, refer to your accounting policy or your tax advisor's guidance so the selection is defensible. As soon as the tax code is applied, QuickBooks calculates the GST automatically and adds it to the invoice total. You'll see the subtotal, the GST amount, and the grand total update in real time. If you price items tax inclusive, look for the tax inclusive setting on the invoice, so the math aligns with how you quoted your customer. It's also a good idea to scan the tax summary area before saving to make sure the total GST looks reasonable for what you sold. When everything looks right, save the invoice or send it directly to your customer. Use Save and Close to keep a draft, or save and send to email it with a clear subject and message. You can preview the PDF to confirm that the GST amount and any required tax details appear as expected. That's it. Your invoice now includes GST, calculated and presented cleanly for your customer.